Hi, welcome back. I'm gonna do an unboxing, and this one's pretty big. This is a surprise because I didn't know I was gonna receive this at all. This happened again. Oh my god. I need to learn how to talk before I do videos, but anyway. You know how people, whenever they sing or perform, they have to do those, vocal. Let me fix this. This keeps moving. This vocal, exercises. I need to do that before filming as well. I think even though you talk, you still need to do that because I stutter a lot, but I don't know why. But anyways, this is a cool big box. I don't know which brand this is from, but actually, never mind. Psych, I do, because I did open it because I couldn't wait. I was like, which brand is this from? And ta-da-da, it's Lawless again. Yay. So this is the second time I received PR from them. The first one I already unboxed, so yay. I did not know I was gonna get sent another PR from them. They didn't reach out to me, so I was shocked. So yay, thank you. I'm blessed. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, so many opportunities. It's a lot, and I just can't believe it still. And oh my gosh. Thank you, and thank you, Lawless, obviously. So, oh, I love the packaging. It's like a sunset. It's so pretty. I don't want to throw this box away. Oh my gosh, but the space, honey. But don't worry, I recycle boxes. I try to help the environment. So, anyways. Yeah, I'm probably like, shut the frick up. But okay, I'm gonna open it. It's the winter beach holiday collection, so that's pretty cool. I don't travel on the holidays, so that's pretty cool for people that do travel. Usually they travel like to beaches in the winter time because I hear it's cheaper and there's not a lot of people, and people just want to be in the hot summer sun in the ocean, even though it's winter, because a lot of people don't like the snow and the cold, so I feel them for that. I think I would too, to be honest. Well, maybe one time, because then it's not gonna feel like winter and it's not gonna feel like Christmas, and it's but sometimes it's cool, so this is so fun and exciting. So let's see what it has inside. So oops, like always, all this stuff always falls off when I do unboxing. So oops, it fell all the way over there. Oh my gosh. Ooh. No. Hold up. Okay guys, everything fell on the floor, and then my ring light stopped working and I had to cool it for a second. Anyways, so let me hurry up. So okay, this is what it came with. Oh, it says happy holiday, so that's pretty cool. Oh, I think it's a book. Yeah, it's a book. So it looks like this, I think. Ooh. Oh my gosh, yay, makeup. It's a nice shadow palette. Wow. Not me getting excited and louder. Okay, so and then I also received 3 lip products, which I saw. Those are the freaking ones that fell. All of them fell anyway, so ow, I almost hit myself. So okay, that's pretty nice. So I'm so happy when I saw makeup, because I don't really receive makeup gifted opportunities. It's very hard. I usually just get skincare or other stuff, but makeup is very hard. So that's why I got so excited, because it's my goal to at least receive one gifted eyeshadow palette. Oh, actually I did with XC Beauty. They gifted me their eyeshadow palette, but that was the beginning of the year, only once. So this is my second makeup PR gifted opportunity, I think, not including the small indie brands, which is probably like one little small palette or two. Never mind, like 2 brands, but they're Instagram small indie brands. But from big brands, no, this is like the second time, so yeah, it's pretty exciting. So anyways, so this is so nice. I'm trying to show it so y'all can see everything. So yeah, thank god it didn't fall, because it always falls. Anyway, so I'm gonna start with the palette, because I'm the most excited for, like, it's so tiny and small, like so cute, and it matches the box packaging. It's a sunset. Oh, all right. Oh, it's talc free, and it says right here, it's very important because talc gives you cancer, and all the makeup products usually have that. So I'm trying to not use talc products, but you know what I'm saying, everything has talk, even like baby powder. I can't remember everything you use, so it's pretty hard to find stuff that doesn't have it. So I'm trying my best to find makeup that doesn't have talc, but usually it costs a lot or it's hard to find. So oh well, so I'm glad this brand has talc free products, because I'm trying to use, you know, healthy products, not only for like what I eat but like what I put on. So oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with the colors. I love blues, greens. These are all up my alley. I'm just kidding, but I think if I did an eyeshadow palette, it would look like this, like greens, blues with, you know, pops of neutrals and like shimmers, mattes. It looks very pretty. So I think all of these are my favorite. To be honest, all the colorful ones. These are nice, but I don't get so excited when I see those. But wow, I'm so excited. So, and it comes with a little mirror. You can see all my mess. I really don't have any space at all, but I'm trying. So I kind of want to do swatches, but I don't know, because my hand is not reacting very great right now, so whatever. So this is in the shade the Winter Beach. I think this is what it's called, the Winter Beach, I think. I don't know. Wait, is this right here? Yeah, the Winter Beach one. This is right here. I can't show you because this is gonna fall. So it's pretty cool. Wow, awesome. They did great. Wow. So the next 3 items are these lip products. Really, I don't want this to fall again. So I got stuck in my hair. Excuse me. Anyways. This they're probably not in the correct order because it fell, but this is in the shade Blushed Sand. So I think this is the lightest shade. Yeah, it's so pretty. Look, it's like a pretty light mauve nude rosy tone to it. I love these shades for every day. They're very pretty. They look so well on everyone. I think this is, oh, it's cool. This is Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. So it's not just a simple gloss, it plumps your lips. So I knew that because look, I don't have any lips. I don't know why. It's okay. Let me try and see how it smells. Oh, it smells very good. It smells like a candy and lip product I used to wear as a kid or something. Everything reminds me of when I was a kid, but it does smell like something I used to wear or eat or something. I smell so familiar, but I can't think of what it was. Oh my gosh, I have bad memory, but it smells really good. So it's a really cool little small wand. It's like a pretty shade. I'm making this swatch it here. Oh, it's glossy and thick and it's pigmented. Wow, look, it's very pretty. It feels like tacky and sticky, a little like thick. It feels like it's gonna last in your lips. Wow, so I just can't get over the smell. I can't really think of it, but it's a very pretty neutral warm shade. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wear this one the most. I feel like, so wow, I'm so excited for it. So the next shade is Rose Pearl. I think it's this one. So it looks kind of the same but darker, like more dual chrome finish. It looks like it's glittery. It's not so matte. Like this one's matte. This one looks like a dual chrome glitter shimmer finish. That's pretty cool. So this is Rose Pearl. So let me open it. Ooh, I love that noise glasses make. It smells the same. It smells pretty good. So let's see the color. Wow, this reminds me of Bratz. Like, I feel like Sasha or Yasmin will wear this one. Like, wow, so pretty. It's like a brownish. It has like shimmers, iridescent shimmers to it, and the other one doesn't. But this is so pretty cool. It's the similar shade as this one. It's pretty cool. You can really see the shimmers. I don't know how to show you the shimmers, but I see them in person. They're really nice. So and you can see it's similar shade but not quite. It's not the same exactly, but it's pretty nice. Well, I think this one looks the best now. I think I prefer using this one. That looks really pretty, like more warmish brownish, a little bit, I don't know. Yeah, wow, I'm so excited. Wow, they're so pretty. Okay, so finally the last one is from Bitten. This is the shade Bitten. Yeah. Oh, this, I think this is my favorite now. Like, this is a pretty pink corally shade. Ooh, okay, so let me see. Ouch. Let me smell it. It smells the same. So, ooh, yeah, I think I prefer this one now. Well, it's very hard because I just love colorful stuff, and this is like a pretty pink mauve magenta shade with coral and reddish. It's a mixture of everything. It's very pretty, and it's the most pigmented. With one swipe it was there, as y'all can see. Like, look, and the texture feels pretty the same as the first one. So these two are the same. No, these two are the same flavor. Not flavor, the same formula texture, and this is the only one that's more like shimmery metallic-y. You can even tell the difference on the outside packaging. So wow, I like all of them, to be honest. I think, wow, I don't know which one's my favorite anymore. I think I'm gonna use all of these, to be honest. So these are perfect for every day. I think that's it. I'm done. That's basically it for this one. Let me put these back. Oh yeah, and this collection is gonna be available November 4th. So isn't it today, right? I don't know. I don't even know what day is it today. So yeah, on Sephora.com you can buy this collection if you want. So wow. Wow, I still can't believe they chose me. Okay, whatever. So I'm freaking sweating. Let me put the fan there. Okay, so thank you so much, Lawless, for sending me this. No, the lip gloss got in my hair and I just washed it today. Okay, so yeah, wow. So y'all better look for my makeup tutorial after probably like the next week or two. I'm gonna use these. So yeah, it's okay. I'm gonna end it here. So yay. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye.